Okay, guys, this is going to be our class for today. We are going, I don't know why I say we, you are going to perform a workshop. It's about all our topic of sequences. So you need to find 5 more terms for each sequence and tell what type of sequence you have. You know that you're going to take all of this as infinite sequences, and you must tell me if this is arithmetic or geometric. Duh, obviously. So you have only 5, and if you need help, I am going to be here. So if you need me, please let me know. So thank you very much for your attention. You're being so kind, blah, 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 blah. Remember to follow me on my social media. And I'm not going to wish you good luck because this is way too easy. This is like the most easiest topic we already saw. So you don't need that. The only thing you're going to need is your notebook and your brain. Did you bring your brain? Okay, so thank you and bye-bye.